In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp status to the old vertical style. So the new update that came on WhatsApp now is that the WhatsApp status is showing as horizontal, just like you can see on your screen right now. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys a fix to actually revert that changes and bring it back to the old vertical style. And if you have any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, if your WhatsApp status is on horizontal mode, just like you can see right now, it's simply because you are following some channels on your WhatsApp. So all you have to do is just unfollow those channels and it's going to revert back to the vertical style. So let's give it a try. So you can see I'm actually following these channels. So I'm going to unfollow these 3 channels now. So we see if it's going to work. Alright, right now you can see that the style have actually changed automatically from the horizontal style to the vertical style. So this is just how you can get it done. It's quite simple and easy to do. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.